What's up, fam? Happy Monday. Hope everybody had a great weekend. I had a great weekend. Just relaxed a little bit. Didn't do too much. So it was great. But we back at another week. I'm so grateful for another week, another opportunity to get to our financial places and our, get our mindsets correct and right, and get to a place where we want to be and enjoy life. But today I wanted to jump on and just talk about like the stock market, cryptocurrencies. As you guys noticed, as of lately, I've been posting a lot of stuff about what the market is talking about, like Mark Cuban and Warren Buffett and all them talking about cryptocurrency. Um, every day, more and more people are starting to jump on board. I just read an article the other day about Visa is going all in on crypto now. I think they was already in, but I think they're going like more in now. So more and more companies are jumping on board. Even the banks, I heard, are starting to embrace that. The next disruption is here, and that is cryptocurrency. It is not going nowhere. So for all my family and friends that's out there that's not a part of it, let me just say this. Even if you don't follow me on my Facebook page or my Telegram or on my website about crypto and all that, IG, buy yourself some Bitcoins. Take $100 and just buy Bitcoin. Just do that. I don't care if you don't do nothing else. But I really just want to see everybody win, especially my close friends and family. If you don't do nothing else, that I say, buy some Bitcoin, buy whatever coin you want, even Dogecoin, because that look like it's gonna reach $1 at some point. So do yourself a favor. So next year, you're not kicking yourself and you're not having that dang, I wish I would have conversation like I keep talking about. Go buy some cryptocurrency. Trust me. Look, if you're a friend of mine, I know you have $100. If you're a grown adult, you have $100. I know you've blown $100 in the last 30, 60 days. So you have $100 that you can go put into cryptocurrency and just let it park and just sit there. But for those of you that are following me and, the fan mindset and Envy Solutions, want to talk about like stock market. So stock market, I invest in the stock market, but I'm not a day trader. I'm more of a, I guess you could call it more of a swing trader, conservative trader. I really only buy stocks that I really know. Like Warren Buffett always said, only invest in things that you know. And that's the game I play. I play a long game, of course, obviously. Always talk about that. But also only invest in stocks that I know. I do my homework. I do my research on companies. If I do get into something that I'm not too familiar with, like for instance, last year I got into NIO, which is the electric car company in China. I got in that stock when it was like $3, and now they're at what they're now like 30, 40 some dollars a stock. So that was a big win for me, and my nephew actually got me into that, and I did my research on them, and they're doing pretty great. So stock market it's an okay thing to do, but like if you're a day trader, and I know a few day traders, and they make pretty good money. But to be a day trader, and this is my opinions. I mean, you have to get up like super early in the morning, like 3, 4, 5 in the morning to look at pre-charge and stocks, and you constantly got to be like watching the news and watching these stocks, and it's just a lot of work. For me, it's a lot of work, and in my career, I'm at a point where I've done my fair share of work, and I'm really trying to transition into retirement at this point. Working, 16, 18-hour days on set. It's like, I'm not trying to do a whole lot of work at this point in my life. So, watching stocks, constantly, I mean, it could be a fun thing. 'Cause I like investments, so it could be a fun thing. But if it resembles a whole lot of work, I pretty much won't do it. So that's why I'm not a day trader. It's just a lot of work, a lot of charts you got to read, and it drives you crazy, like paying attention to it, like every minute of the day, watching those charts go up and down, it'll drive you crazy. Like even now, like I'm a part of a couple of groups, Facebook groups that do stocks. And I was just reading a post that one of my boys posted the other day saying, how the market has been so crazy. But it's crazy because he's actually been making money and he don't even know how he's been making money, which is crazy. Because normally when the market is good, you're making money, but the market has been so bad and so unpredictable. But he somehow has been making money the last few weeks, and he don't even know how he did it. So that's why I kind of stay away from, being my primary source of income. Like I can't do that, but a lot of people do it, and they love doing it, and that's great. Like I always say, if you wake up in the morning and you love what you do, then you're living a life. That's great. But for me, I want to just touch on that a little bit, and also touch on cryptocurrency. So like we said, cryptocurrency is not going nowhere. I believe every day when more and more companies, jump on board, then, all coins are just going to rise. So I own quite a bit of few coins. Like I took $20, $50, $100, and I just bought like a ton of coins. And I just park them. Again, I play the long game, and I'm hoping in 6 months to a year, once a bunch of other companies jump on board, then all these coins is going to rise in price, and I made a profit. Hopefully one of the coins truly skyrockets up, and I'll be a happy guy. Like I own two coins where like one coin, I think it's the Elongate. I own like 219 million of them, and the other one, Safe Moon, I think I own a few million of those too. So if just one of those coins just get to a penny or even 10 cents, like I'll be happy, which I think they will be at some point. That's a long-term play for me. But as far as like owning coins, so it's great if everybody is buying coins. I see a lot of people buying coins, and they're looking into other coins other than Bitcoins and TRX, which is great. So my whole thing is, and again, this is just my perspective, and it's all mindset. Like I said, I always try to get you guys to think, from a different perspective. So my thinking is, there's a few ways you can make money off cryptocurrency. So let's take Tron, for example. I'm going to show my screen so I can kind of show you guys, give you guys some examples of what I'm talking about. So Tron, right? Tron guarantees you 1.7% off your money. So the first way you can make money on cryptocurrency is, just buying your coins and just parking them and just let them grow over time, right? But again, that's like playing the stock market. So it's going to go up and down every day, especially if you're looking at the weekly charts or the daily charts or the hourly charts. Like it's going to drive you crazy because that needle is going to go up and down, up and down, up and down. But if you look at 1 month, 3 month, 6 month charts, of all these coins, you're going to see a steady pattern going up. So those are the charts that I typically pay attention to. So that's one way of making money, if you just buy a coin and just let it sit there. Another way is if you get into like a Tron case. Tron case, not only is your TRX coin going up in value every day that TRX goes up in value. So that's one way you're making money. But the second way is they're giving you 1.7% of your money each and every day. So for instance, I withdraw my profits every Friday. So available withdrawal for me right now is 562. So I don't know if you guys remember last week I did a video and I had 10,000 Trons, but now I'm up to 12,500 because I took my last withdrawal. I took 2,500 and put back in. So and I withdrew Friday, so another 2 more days, and this would be at 1.7%. But that's the second way that you make money. So the first way is you're going to get money by the coin going up in value. The second way is, they're paying you 1.7% daily once you reach that 5-day threshold. And then the third way is referrals. They give you 7% of everybody that you refer. I mean, everybody that's in Tron, that's been in Tron for the last 30 days, a little over 30 days now since we started this, you should be making good returns on your money now, because it's been 30 days, and you should already have half of your initial deposit back by now, if not more. And you should actually be compounding that money, just so, like how I did, I withdrew my money, but then I put $2,500 back in there. So now, instead of getting 1.7% off 10,000, I'm getting it off 12,500. So that's the second way. And then the third way is, again, referrals. You're getting 7% off every time somebody joins your team and whatever they put in there. And it's not just a one-time fee. Every time they compound, every time they withdraw and put money back in there or deposit money, you get 7% off of that. So that's 3 ways of you earning money in cryptocurrency. Same with Qubit Life. So Qubit Life, I have 3 bronze licenses, and I have a bronze plus, which gives me a total of 800. Four licenses at a value of $800, and I withdrew this one on Friday. As you can see here, April 30th. It's still pending, but I think I did it like late Friday, so hopefully today it'll go through. But I withdrew $142 on Friday, and as you can see, it's Monday, and I'm already back up to $81. I've earned $81 over the weekend. So, with Qubit, so with Tron, they give you 1.7%, but with Qubit Life, you get different percentages every day. So like today, I'm getting 0.81% of my $800. Yesterday, I got 0.26%. The day before that, I got 0.99%. And then it was at 0.39, 0.28, 0.70, 0.77. So as you can see, every day is giving me something off my money, opposed to like the stock market. If you buy like an Apple stock or Amazon stock, your money is going to go up and down every single day. And if the stock, like if Apple stock is going down, your money is going down. At least in Qubit Life, you're getting something every single day. It's not always pretty, like 0.26% is not, big money, but it's something. It never goes in the negative. They're giving me something every single day. So Qubit Life is definitely a great platform to have your money just sitting there in cryptocurrency. So not only in Qubit Life am I getting, because they go on Bitcoin here, or they go on Bitcoin and Ether. But I got Bitcoin. So as long as Bitcoin's going up in price, and I'm getting paid off the percentages daily. So that's 2 ways I'm getting money here. And they also have a referral plan as well. So again, that's 3 ways that you're earning money on your cryptocurrency. So Tron Case and Qubit Life. So again, so if you guys, to all my stock people out there that invest in stocks, I mean, if you guys are not looking at this like real seriously, I'm not sure, what to tell you, because it's great that you invest in stocks and all that, you can make money, but how about putting your money into something that's your money's making money? Like you're getting a percentage every day, and it's never a negative percentage like stocks. That can be a negative percentage every day. But cryptocurrency, they have again 3 ways that you can earn money. So if you're not into Qubit Life and Tron, I urge you, please definitely take a big look at it. It's definitely something worth looking into, especially if you're investing. Because again, you don't want to be here next year watching my videos and then kicking yourself saying, dang, I wish I would have back last year when Mike first said something. Because I'm going to do a video next year and I'm going to pretty much have this conversation. So so that's it, folks. Definitely, I'm being real serious, honest. Like, I just showed you documentation beats conversation. Like, I just showed you the numbers. You don't have to believe me. Do your own research. I'm not the smartest guy in the world. If you guys have a different perspective on how you're looking at it, I'm always up for dialogue. So just let me know. Let's talk about it. But take a definite serious look into it. Tron Case and Qubit Life. Because it is something worth at the very least, it's definitely worth looking into, and do the numbers and see for yourself. All right. Auto BTC is also something that I just want to do a separate video about that. So I'm gonna do another video about that later. But that's another program that we have. So go check out thefammindset.com. If you're not on there, join our Facebook group at the Fam Mindset. And where we, share information, about what's going on in cryptocurrency on a daily basis. We have dialogues and discussions about it all. So let's talk about it. Let's get ourselves to a financial place and start living our lives the way we're intended to, and that's to be happy and enjoy life. We only have one life, so we're not promised tomorrow, so enjoy it today. Put yourself in a position where every day counts, every moment counts, all right? Again, happy Monday. Have a great week. Love you guys, and if you have any questions, just hit me up, DM me, text me, call me, and let's get it. All right, peace and blessings, you guys.